YouTubers, future truck drivers. This is how to haul water for fucking dummies off portable frac tanks, production water. This is my suspension load gauge right here. I'm right under 50. When it gets to about 60, I'm gonna have about 120 barrels inside this tanker. This tanker holds about 130 barrels. I got my PTO engaged. That's my PTO switch. I gotta depress my clutch to engage my PTO. And I'm gonna get outside the truck and I'm gonna show you which way my pump has to be sucked in to be sucking. One side is sucking, one side is fucking, where I'm connected, what my sight glass is, what the tank open and close valves, and what it looks like when you're pumping water. It's gonna be loud, so I'll give you a breakdown at the end of the video. Probably mute this whole motherfucker except the beginning. Here we go. Jump out the truck. This is it. Right here. 130-gallon tanker. Walking down. Scrubber pot. You want to drain that after every load. That valve right there will drain your load when you're not loading. You want to come down. Your pump right here. This way is sucking. The other way is fucking. Blowing out, building pressure. Scrubber bucket in case you have a spill. Here's oil for your pump. Don't ever want to burn that out. You burn your fucking pump up. Here's exhaust on your pump right here. Boom, smells like shit. Gonna walk down here. These are the portable frac tanks right here. Everybody calls them something different, so you dumbass comments to yourself. Right here I got a sight glass on my truck so you can see the water moving through the line, back of the truck, valves open. Anytime your valve is in line with your hose, your valve is open. This is my sight tube. I can see water running through my tube. I can see where I'm at. I can see when my tank is filled. This is my exhaust, my relief valve for my truck. Right now it's closed because I want it to be building pressure. I have negative pressure right here. I'm sucking. When it's relieved and the valve is open in line with the tube, then I will have relief on the tank. Relieved. Got a 4-inch line right here, running the portable tank. Valve is open. It's in line with the tube, with the hose. So I'm sucking water. About 28 inches is about 128 barrels. What I'm looking like right here. Frozen ass water. Got my 3-inch side right there too. That's close. So I'm not sucking. Got my sight glass rolling. Don't know who the fuck that is, but he's out here doing his thing. Colorado. Like and subscribe to this video. Like, subscribe. There's my sight glass right there. About halfway full. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But here's what it is. You should connect this cable every time. This is your ground cable, so you want to have this done. You want to have it connected. Hazards on, throw them bitches on. It looks good, looks professional when you're on site. My blinker's on, but fuck it, here's what it is. It's a quick video, quick and easy, straight to the point. Any questions, put them in my comments. Like my video and subscribe too, don't forget. So you can see that water moving in there. I'm getting close to the top. You won't get to the top. If you get to the top all the way, you won't be full. You can still suck that line dry. That line wants to be dry. You don't want us to ever spill no water on the ground. You gotta clean this tube off, stroke it so you can see it, no homo. You gotta say no homo though. Unless you's gay, then you can say nothing. I guess you might like that shit, but I ain't gay, and no homo. See that water moving in there? Bang that water around and be pretty close to the top. You can call that a load and take it to the disposal.
Image message from
Very important right here. I'm gonna shut off on the tank first. Boom, tank shut off. I got a relief valve down here. I'm gonna suck that line dry. Now that truck's gonna start bouncing, boom. See that? Sucking that line dry, air going through there. Shut off my main valve, shut off. A little bit gonna drop through there. Should have a bucket on there, but I don't, so fuck it. Shut it off. I'm gonna lift on my hose. Does my hose feel heavy or does my hose feel light? Right now it feels light. So that means my line is good. I should be good. There's no pressure on this line. So I can crack this open. I can crack these. Oh shit. But there is some water in that motherfucker. So I gotta suck it dry again. So here we go. Boom, suck that line dry. You hear that noise? Now that motherfucker's clean. Shit happens. It's a free education, motherfuckers. You're YouTubing this shit. So this is gonna help your dumb ass on your first day when you're green rookie ass, don't know what to do when you got a water hauling job. I'm helping your ass, so you're welcome. Then I'm gonna pause this bitch so I can put my hose up. Got my hose put away. There we go. Got my ground cable put away. I got my sight glass still hanging on there. I can throw my cap on. You always wanna have your fucking caps on going down the road. Cause them fucking state boys will get you. What's still on? My relief. I'm still building pressure, negative pressure. So I'm gonna shut this off. Now my tank is relieving. I have no suction sucking in my tank. You hear it down here. It's sucking. It's sucking. It should be suction right there because I'm sucking on my tank. My pool is full. I probably got about 120 barrels in a 130 barrel tank. Right here. My exhaust, I'm blowing, my pump's still running. Still on suction side. I'm going to my truck. I'm gonna hit my clutch. Kick off my PTO. PTO's off. Show you how to drain the scrubber. That fucking valve. Nothing coming out. PTO's still on. Disengage my PTO. Engage my clutch. There we go. There we go. That's my scrubber. Builds moisture. You need to drain that shit out. Don't drain in at night. It's gonna fucking freeze. PTO is off, pump is off. Let's see what else I got. I got my other scrubber pot over here. I can drain this bitch too. There we go. Look at all that shit coming out of there. You can do that every load, or you can do it at the beginning of the day, end of the day, whatever you want to do. I try to do it every load. Close her back up, you're good to go. Sometimes you might get an asshole that leaves those open and you don't check and you're not building any suction, or you can't build any pump on your truck. And check your scrubbers. Make sure they're fucking closed and sealed while you're pumping or sucking. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you fucking haul water off portable tanks. Oilfield, 303, Colorado. There's Manny checking out. Like and subscribe. You got this free knowledge. No other videos putting it out there like this on YouTube. I see some shit ass videos out there. Like and subscribe. Send it to your friends. You getting in trucking? Holler at your boy. I'm out.